Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Java, a running Kafka broker, and the Schema Registry binary or Confluent platform are present. Next, set Bootstrap. Servers to your broker list in Schema. Registry. URL to the registry REST endpoint. Start Kafka first, then start the Schema Registry service so it can connect to Kafka for storage. Once the service is up, call get/subjects to verify it responds. Doing these steps now avoids chasing startup ordering problems and verifies the control plane is reachable. Once the registry is available, you register a schema by posting the schema JSON to /subjects/subject/versions. Choose Avro, Protobuf, or JSON schema and a subject naming strategy that matches your topic and key conventions. This controls how versions map to topics. Make sure to set a compatibility level, backward, forward, or full, so producers and consumers can safely evolve schemas. Use the Registry API or Confluent CLI for idempotent updates. Check Schema ID, and now integrate by configuring your producer and consumer clients with the appropriate CERDs and the schema. Registry. URL so they fetch schemas automatically. Produce a message, confirm the registry returned a schema ID, then consume to verify compatibility and deserialization. If something goes wrong, check registry logs for storage or connectivity errors, ensure CORS and firewall rules allow REST access, and verify compatibility violations in the API responses. If the registry appears stuck, restart it after fixing network or config issues and rerun the produce/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.